Google just dropped Gemini 3 and it's changing everything. This is the craziest AI release I've ever seen. Google just dropped Gemini 3 and it's wild. I mean, you can now build a fully functional app with one simple prompt. You can use Google anti-gravity and let AI agents write your code, test it in the browser, and fix bugs automatically with Google developers. No coding skills needed. And this AI even takes screenshots, records videos, showing your working app. It is absolutely wild. Plus, have just dropped a bunch of new AI tools. And so, whilst everyone's losing their minds over Gemini 3, they're missing the actual game changer here. This isn't about another chatbot. This is about building real working apps without code. This is about automating your entire business in an afternoon. This is about tools that actually do things instead of just talking about things. I spent the weekend testing every single tool in Google's new Gemini 3.0 stack. I built fully automated systems, created custom apps, automated workflows that used to take my teams hours, and all of it using these free tools that have just launched. So this is how you actually use AI to scale your business. Not writing blogs, not generating social media captions, building real systems that run without you. I want to break it down step by step today. If you have any questions as we go along, feel free to ask inside the comments, my friends. We are going to get straight into it. So if you're not familiar with this, this is Google Gemini. Here's what it means, etc. So you can see they've announced a new era of intelligence with Gemini 3. Now, Gemini 3 is by far the most powerful process I've ever seen. You know, it's an absolutely amazing tool. You can easily automate whatever you want with it. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Now, you can use this in many different ways. So, for example, they've actually just released Google Nano Banana. Nano Banana is absolutely amazing as well. And they also have a bunch of other updates that have just come out. And one of the easiest ways to get access to this is directly inside Gemini. So you can go to Gemini at gemini.google.com and then you can get access to this stuff. You can go inside here and then you can switch between fast and thinking. Thinking is how you get access to Gemini 3 Pro. And then you can say like, okay, create a video or stay organized or build an idea, etc. Right? So for example, here we can go to Canvas and we can say, right, okay, build out a SaaS tool for generating ideas for YouTube videos, right? Based on Julian Goldie SEO's channel. And then I can actually generate a SaaS tool that creates video ideas for me, and I just click about it, right? And it's so simple and easy to use. So wait for that to load. And you can see here it's thinking through the process. Now, I've compared this versus ChatGPT, and honestly, this is one of the best tools that I've ever used. I think ChatGPT actually got worse, not better, with the latest updates, especially with 5.1. Whereas, for example, with Google Gemini, it's easily one of the most powerful tools that I've ever used in my life. It's absolutely wild. So you see it's coding now. Basically what this is doing is generating the SaaS store. And literally all you have to do is give it an idea and then it will go off and create this, right? So you can be very simplistic in the way that you prompt it. And it'll basically figure out, okay, here's exactly what you need and how you're going to do it, right? And now you see that's going to create and code it over here on Canvas. And then we can wait for that to load, start generating it. Now, some people are going to say, I need to, understand how Gemini 3 works first before you start using it. I would say, no, you don't. That's backwards thinking. So you don't need to understand how the engine works to drive a car, right? You need to know where the gas pedal is and where you want to go. So I would say stop trying to become like an AI expert if you're going to try this stuff out and start automating business. Just start building things now that grow your business. And, the people right now aren't the ones who understand the technology the best. They're the ones who build it faster than their competition. Also, some people want to say like, oh, okay, I should wait for tutorials and courses before I try this. Whilst your competitors are